Have you ever wondered about the largest creatures that have ever lived on Earth? The last one still lives today. Megatherium americanum, a massive sloth from Pliocene and Pleistocene South America, weighed 8,000 pounds, measured 20 feet, and used its large claws for digging and occasional carnivorous behavior. Over 30 million years ago, Paraceratherium, a giant hornless rhino, weighed 30 tons, stood 18 feet tall, and reached 26 feet in length. Despite its lack of horns, it had unique teeth with 2 pairs of incisors, allowing it to grasp branches steadily. Paraceratherium remains the largest land mammal ever known. The blue whale, the largest animal ever, still exists, reaching nearly 100 feet long and 200 tons. They consume 50 million calories daily, mainly krill filtering water to retain prey. Their majestic presence at the water's surface is a breathtaking sight,